Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Cat S75. And to do this, first let's find all of the speakers on this device, and the first one is at the bottom, second one right here, and there's also, I think, a speaker right now, that's a button. So there's another speaker on top of the screen, and that's a phone call speaker. And here to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of them with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. Okay, so sound is coming from this speaker right here, and phone call speaker, but there's no sound coming out from this speaker for some reason. But anyway, this phone does have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.